My friends, listen to me! Hear me out! I am facing hardship and sadness. A terrible thing happened. For my computer, I downloaded and installed a new screensaver. I had no concern about this screensaver being safe because I already had Antivirus installed on my computer. Come to find out, the screensaver had a virus, and it spread to my operating system. How did this happen? Well, I made the dreadful mistake of assuming Antivirus offers protection against all attacks. The truth is, Antivirus cannot identify or stop all viruses. So many things can go wrong. Malware, ransomware, keylogger, just to say a few. My new screensaver is infected, and my antivirus missed it. How am I going to log onto my computer and do my timesheet? Can I borrow your computer? Please?